Alright, so if you haven't heard, there has been a confirmation of there being plumes of water vapor above Europa, and confirming that water vapor is present above Europa helps scientists better understand the inner workings of the moon. It supports the idea, of which scientists are confident, that there's a liquid water ocean, possibly twice the size of Earth's, sloshing beneath the moon's mile-thick ice shell. It's also possible that Jupiter's strong radiation field is stripping water particles from Europa's ice shell, though the recent investigation argued against this mechanism as its source of observed water. Essential chemical elements such as carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur, and sources of energy, 2 of 3 requirements for life, are found all over the solar system, but the third, liquid water, is somewhat hard to find beyond Earth, said Lucas Paganini, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, a NASA planetary scientist who led the water detection investigation. While scientists have not yet detected liquid water directly, we've found the next best thing, water in vapor form. Paganini and his team reported in the Journal of Nature Astronomy on November 18, 2019, that they detected enough water releasing from Europa 5,202 pounds or 2,360 kilograms per second to fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool within minutes. Indeed, Paganini's team detected the faint yet distinct signal of water vapor just once through 17 nights of observation between 2016 and 2017. Looking at the moon of the W.M. Keck Observatory atop the dormant some Hawaiian named volcano in Hawaii, the scientists saw water molecules, at Europa's leading hemisphere, or the side that's always facing in the direction of the moon's orbit around Jupiter. They used a spectrograph at the Keck Observatory that measures the chemical composition of planetary atmospheres through the infrared light they emit or absorb. Molecules such as water emit specific frequencies of infrared light that they interact with the solar radiation. Before the recent water vapor detection, there have been many tantalizing findings on Europa. The first came from NASA's Galileo spacecraft, which measured perturbations in Jupiter's magnetic field near Europa while orbiting the gas giant planet between 1995 and 2003. The measurements suggested that to scientists that electrically conductive fluid, likely a salty ocean beneath Europa's ice layer, was causing the magnetic disturbances. When researchers analyzed the magnetic disturbances more closely in 2018, they found evidence of possible ice plumes. So, I mean, this is really cool, in my opinion, actually. Well, I don't see why anyone would find this to be lame or, like, uninteresting. It's cool, whether you believe it or not. Alright, well, thank you for watching, and I guess I'll upload this whenever I think to upload it.